Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on the number 4. This video continues to stress the importance of teaching students how to recognise numbers and how to connect them to real life. The meaning of the number 4 can be simply explained by saying that it represents 4 objects in real life. Tracing. We all know the importance of tracing in kindergarten, for example. It is a very important fine motor skill, and students need to be given many opportunities to do tracing. In this particular instance, students are given opportunities to trace the number 4. And the more they have the opportunity to trace the number 4, the more likely they will remember how to write it. It can be explained to students that the tracing represents the short way of writing the number 4. It is the actual number. We also need to explain that it can be written as a word. Students are given opportunities to trace the word 4. Naturally, teachers would make students aware of the appropriate font. Students are given opportunities to recognise those groups that contain 4 objects. First example, if you read to students and ask them to circle the box that contains 4 objects, when they hear the word box, they'll probably understand that there's only one box with 4 objects, and I'm sure they'll pick this one. Second example, circle the boxes that contain 4 objects. When they hear the word boxes, they'll probably know that it's more than one box, and they'll probably circle this one and this one. And students need to be given many more opportunities like this. Colouring is a favourite pastime for kindergarten children, as we know, and they would be asked to colour 4 fish. And we all know how much they love drawing, and these are just 3 examples of objects they could draw. They would draw 4 objects in each case, and you'd give them many more opportunities to draw other objects. So this video has introduced students to the number 4, and it's shown a few examples how 4 is connected to the real world.